Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and in today's video we are going to discuss the importance of Facebook content. I see for most of my clients who just starting to advertise on Facebook, the first thing they do, they create a Facebook page. But except of providing a profile picture to that Facebook page and cover photo, they don't do anything else with that Facebook page. And they start advertising right away. Why is it important to still create content for your Facebook page? Well, since Facebook exists not the first day on the market, people are familiar with different frauds and different, let's say, not so honest sellers or, I know, businesses who offer their products to you, and they just see advertising. Right away, they want to check if this business is legit. So what do? They either go to the website to see that everything looks good, but if this website is just a shop, an online shop, they would like to know if they will receive their product or if that store is trustworthy or received feedbacks previously. So they just go to Facebook page and check for feedbacks, check for posts. They would like to see what's going on, to get more information about business. And when they simply don't see any information whatsoever on that Facebook page, that is red light for them. So you need to be very careful. If you want to advertise on Facebook and be successful on Facebook, you not only need to think about advertising itself, you also need to think about filling in that content on your Facebook page. Don't get me wrong, you don't need to post daily or even twice a day. Post a few times a week or even once a week. Start with just once a week. But your Facebook page needs to be alive. People need to understand that it's legit and that they can trust you. And only then you're going to see the increase for your sales or the increase for your lead generation and so on, because people will know that you are trustworthy. That's my advice for you today. I hope it was helpful to you. Click like to support my video and subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.